Okay, so as far as my planning cards go, I had to redo them. So after the meeting, I made a few changes to my current planning cards to what I have here. So first of all, I put them on a PowerPoint so you can have a better option of visualizing how each PowerPoint slide is going to show up. So as far as preparation for this interactive module, the students will complete a similar module on a different topic so that they know how to work the various types of technology within this module. The objective of this module says that students will be able to describe and draw the 4 different seasons on a large poster board after completing this interactive module. So here are the materials. Each student will have a personal tablet, a worksheet, a pencil and coloring utensils, and the worksheet will look something like this. And it will be given to them in class so they are able to write on it during this interactive module. So on this first slide is a picture of the teacher and a button. So as the teacher's face will start to play what the instructions are during this module, and that just helps give a better connection to their students. So the content for slide 2 will have each section of the video. So they will be able to press play and push. When they push this button, they will be able to see the instructions, and it will reiterate that the children need to listen super closely to the video and listen to the words being used. Content for slide 3 is same idea. They push the button, it will read the 4 different words displayed on the screen, and they have to pick one to record on their poster board. It also says that they need to draw a picture corresponding with the season addressed in each of the slides. So that goes on for slide 4, slide 5. Slide 6 is different. Slide 6 is more of a motivational tool for the students. So they are able to push this button. They're able to push the button and see the little motivational picture of kindergartners working hard and at recess. So it kind of gives them motivation to do well on this module. And that's what these bullet points are just describing. Same thing for slide 7 and slide 8. Same thing for slide 9 and slide 10. So on slide 11 is an example of what their poster should look like when they're done. So it gives the students a visual of what their poster board should kind of look like, just to make sure they did the interactive module right up until this point. So I put a huge button on this one to give the instructions for the assessment. So it will be describing that the students will answer 5 questions. The numbers 1 through 5 will be on the back of their poster board, and they just need to write the corresponding letter with the answer to the quiz question. So it'll have the question on the PowerPoint slide. They will press this button right next to the question to have the question read to them, and then each of the answers have a button. So they can click on them to have the answer read to them, and then they have to select and write it on their poster board. Same thing for question 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then one of the last slides is this little motivational tool to tell the students that they have made it and they have learned all 4 of the seasons. And then on slide 19 is just the full video of the seasons of the song, so they can learn it all together, to learn the different types all together in one video. So basically what I have gone back and done I met all of the criteria points on motivational tools, content. I just had to go back and make sure that the slides were able to be visualized by my TA, and that's what I did and presented here in this PowerPoint slide.